start off with a really effective acne fighting mask. All you need is 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, 1 tablespoon of ground oats, which you can get by grinding whole oats using a blender or a food processor. We also need some water, just enough to get the right consistency, and 4 drops of tea tree oil. And anytime you use bentonite clay, you want to make sure you use a non-metal bowl and spoon. So now all we need to do is mix all of the ingredients together. And like I said, the bentonite clay is a super powerful clay that's going to help unclog any pores, and it also helps to control the overproduction of sebum, which we all know leads to breakouts. So this will definitely help. And oats also help to soothe the skin and absorb any excess oil. And of course, tea tree oil also helps to treat acne because it has antibacterial properties. So this next mask is perfect if you want radiant glowing skin. All you'll need is 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, a little bit of water, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So honey is rich in antioxidants and it has all kinds of nutrients, and it just helps the skin glow by retaining in the moisture. And the bentonite clay also helps to nourish and condition the skin by removing dead skin cells and revealing newer, healthier looking skin. If your skin is feeling a little bit irritated or dry, this last recipe will definitely help you. All you need is 2 ingredients, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay. So yogurt is one of my favorite things to use on my skin because the lactic acid it contains helps to exfoliate the skin, but at the same time, yogurt is extremely hydrating and really soothing. And when I had really bad acne, bentonite clay was the only thing that helped to calm and soothe my irritated skin. So both of these combined make a really great mask. So pick whichever mask suits your needs and apply it to a clean face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash everything off.